So this video introduced directly connect the Excel to the sheet. So show you the result first. Basically, you have a Excel sheet, and then you run the action, and the Excel sheet will be instantiated in your sheet. And now, when you want to update, let's say you delete, let's say, and you need to update the action, run again. So this will be replaced as the current the sheet. So let's see it in the action. So first one, you need to define where is the Excel sheet it is. After then, you need to finding out the row max and the integer as an integer and the column max as integer to finding out the exact amount of the column and the row. So in this script, to try to finding out it's finding out the empty place and then counting the number of the column. That's how it works. So row and columns as well. So this script will finding out until the empty place and the column side until the empty place. So that's how we're finding out the count of the row and columns. So for example, if you have the empty place here, it will be causing the error. So instead empty, if you need to put something, you need to do something else instead of empty. Okay, so then once you're finding out the count, now we're creating we define the view. So it's manually working with this view, and then if previous existing drawing object we want to delete that. So creating the list of the drawing object, and then you delete this drawing object. Now you will creating the drawing object from this drawing view, and you can locate the location of your table. So for the moment it's 0, 0, 0, 0 is here. So you can freely move the location, and the row max and the column max is the one we put it, finding out the row and columns next, and then the size of the row and width and the height, and you set as a drawing object here. And then the next is the loop to assign the value. So you define the row and column as 1, 1, and then you can get the information from the design table. The function is called the cell as a string, so you can get cell as strings. And the assign, you use this command to here drawing object 1 and set attribute string and the alt text and m value. So the m values came from here. Then the alt text is the one the method how to assign in the drawing table to see we call the text string in shell and the row and column. So row and column is came from the upper side. So we can set where to set and what value we're going to set. That's all. So let's try to add and save and update. So it works well. Thank you for watching.